in the next step, you are going to go from the yellow daisy to the white cross. So the white cross means that obviously we have the white center, but it means we're going to have white and green are going to be matching. So this is the green center, green, white, white. And then you're going to have the same thing, orange, orange, white, white, and so on. This white piece happens to be here, but that's not important. At this step, you just want to have the white cross. Okay, so it's actually really easy to go from the yellow daisy to the white cross. So here's the daisy from before. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the edge piece and the center piece. So this is blue and this is orange. So we know this is not correct. We want to have blue here and blue here. So we rotate the cube. This is red. This is blue. That's not right. This is orange. This is red. That's not correct. And here we see that there is green and green, which is what we want. So we take the green one and we just rotate the cube once, twice, and now it's on the bottom. So then we look for more pieces and we know that none of these match. So it's really just a matter of moving the cube and then rotating it downward. So this red and white piece was right here. We just move the cube like this. We move it once, twice, and now it's on the bottom. We keep moving the cube and now blue happens to be in the right spot. This is blue and white, and this is blue here. So we just move it down, and now it's there. And then we have the orange piece is over here. So we put it above the orange center, and then we just move it down. And that is the white cross. At this point, you want to make sure that you did the cross correctly. And so you need to make sure that this color matches this edge piece. So it has to be green and green here. It can't be green and orange or green and any other color or it won't work. So green and green, orange and orange, blue and blue, and red. And then we have white on the bottom. Again, this piece doesn't matter. You can ignore it. And we're going to be talking about the white corners in the next step.